Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by confirming the Hesh AnC has adequate charge and the right ear cup is facing you. This matters because low battery changes behaviors. Press and hold the power/Bluetooth button for 3 seconds until the LED flashes. That enters pairing mode, and you'll hear a voice prompt. Once done, open Bluetooth on your phone or laptop, find Skullcandy Hesh AnC, and tap to connect. Make sure to accept any pairing prompts. This establishes the audio link you'll use next. You now control noise and playback. Switch AnC on to reduce ambient sound because AnC changes low-frequency response and battery draw. Then play a familiar track to set levels, adjust device volume until the headset's comfortable range is reached, and fine-tune with the ear cup controls. Use the multi-function button for quick actions. Single press pauses or answers, double press skips forward. Learn these so you avoid fumbling. Also, if you need awareness, toggle transparency or turn AnC off to hear surroundings. You finish by verifying reliability. Run a quick test call and walk around to confirm stable Bluetooth. If you drop connection or pairing fails, reset the headphones by holding the power/Bluetooth button for 10 seconds, then repair. Make sure the Skullcandy app is up to date. Firmware fixes often resolve audio glitches, and inspect ear cup fit, because poor seal changes bass and AnC effectiveness. If sound is distorted, try another source to isolate whether it's the headset or the playback device.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.